has not been announced yet. Some potential themes could be simplifying text processing for prosperous India. On this day in the year 1944, the Central Exercise Day and Salt Law were made. With this, let's start today's morning assembly. Prayer is one of the most powerful forces in the world. Dear Lord, we pray that you bless us with true happiness and peace in life. Everyone, join your hands and close your eyes to start prayer.
All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things bright and wonderful, the good God made them all. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things bright and wonderful, the good God made them all. He created flowers that obey, each little bird that sings. He made their glowing colors, and made their tiny names. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things bright and wonderful, the good God made them all. The river had its fountain, the river running by, the sunset and the
Is a basic tool in the living of good life. When we learn a lot, we undoubtedly learn a lot. True that if we can read them, we can learn anything about everything. With this, let's move to the next and that thought of the day. And for this, I would like to invite Shania. Good morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day is if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. I repeat my thought. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. Thank you. Thank you, Shania. You know, the person who develop a rich vocabulary tend to be deeper, thinker, express themselves better, and can read more. Improving vocabulary skill improve our understanding of novels and textbooks. Now, the time is to add a new word in our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite Jyoti Meena.
Good morning, everyone. Word of the day is resilience, meaning to the ability to bounce back from difficulties. Synonym toughness and flexibility. Sentence she has shown great resilience to stress. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Jyoti. News is one of the greatest ways to gain knowledge between people and the world. And let us pay slightest attention to the world around us. So, to share today's news headlines with us, I would like to call Priyanshi.
A very good morning to all. Today's news headlines are international news. US regulator drops some emission disclosure requirements from draft climate rules. Eiffel Tower closed for fifth consecutive day. In Ethiopia, a secret committee ordered killing and arrest to crush rebels. Biden approved 500 new sanctions on Russia. National news. Probe agency misused to extort donation for BJP SC monitored probe needed Congress. Former Lok Sabha Speaker Manohar Joshi passes away. Engaging with competent authorities use genuine cheese, says McDonald. Sports news. Benzema scores shocking goal during Champions League match. Video goes viral. A trip to Emirates show how Indian sports fans are being shortchanged. In India, tennis, the one-handed backhand is not so rare. Thank you and have a wonderful day, I hope.
Speech are the words that appreciate their right meaning. So, here I would like to call Alina to deliver a speech.
A day of 24th of February has been decided by Government of India to celebrate this special 1944. The tax payable rate has been set under Schedule 1 and 2 according to the Central Excise Tariff Act in year 1985. Central Excise Day is celebrated in India by organizing variety of theme-based programs, cultural events, workshops, and seminars in various states of the country. At this day, an award ceremony is held to honor sincerely and honestly working employees by rewarding them to the prize for paying their truthful service to the government. Through this event celebration, variety of other activities is planned to implement in this celebration. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call our respected principal ma'am to guide us with their motivational words.